Hi, Ivan from Old School Automotive. 2022 Dodge Challenger. Uh, EBS module was cracked. Had a code for brake circuit, whatever. The problem is, got another module and was not able to write a VIN number. I've tried it. First of all, I was connected at the gateway connection. Was trying to do it with launch, pretty much brand new scanner. The good one. Did not do it. It kept saying it failed, and after it failed, it will give you this code C220B. It's not complaining about VIN number mismatch, but if you go inside of the unit, you will still see the VIN number from the car from the previous car it was installed on. So basically, I was thinking maybe I open up the old one just to see if it's possible to fix this. This is like cracked, couple things are missing. But then I start researching this, and there is a epprom goes here, just like on the old ones, that holds this information. So I did get myself a soldering station, and I decided to give it a shot. That's the epprom. And yes, I changed it, and after that's it. After that, you go into model information, it reads the correct VIN number, you're not getting any more codes, and that's it. That's pretty much fix the car. How I did this is when I finished everything, I did solder the connections back in. What is super hard about this job? First of all, how to open it. I got myself a good sturdy hacksaw, because when you're using something flimsy, you cannot get a nice cut. So what you do, there is a little thing. You start from a corner, you go this deep on each side, then you get in the cover off. Then you have this cap, the circuit board connections, and those are not soldered, those are pressed in connections. I found a way how to disassemble them. I've tried many things. Only one thing that worked is this guy, but I burned up one of them when I was doing it. So what I did, heat them up for about 3-5 seconds each pin. Then what you do, you take a nice needle nose pliers and you push them down. That's how you get these coils out, except this one. This one, you pretty much you start lifting the circuit board you can actually do it from this hole with something like a pick tool. You squeeze them, you pretty much keep going. The hardest part is to get this out, and honestly, I did it by pulling from this corner and kind of trying to do it with the screwdriver here and there and keep hitting them. But honestly, for the future, what I think, in case if I ever gonna do this again, I mark the spots where there is nothing electrical that you can break off. So what I'm basically thinking, if I ever gonna do something like this again, I will drill it in these spots, get something inside of there and push it up, because it's on there. Once it's connected, it's super hard to get it out. But you do have to heat them up one time, go around them, but be careful, don't burn up your your soldering gun. One time, second time, sometimes you can even but have to be careful. Just check if they are loose. You can move them one by one, a little by little. So if you manage to get this board out, the rest is pretty much easy. You find this magical chip that goes right here. Of course, you need to mark the position of it, and if you can manage to swap it out with something like that, that's the... where the hell is the chip? Oh, that's the chip. Just to understand the size of it, this is a tester lid, and this guy holds the VIN number information in it. Well, of course, there are ways of reading it, but I was not able to find a confirmed way of doing this, because everyone who tried to buy a software did not succeed, and pretty much what the what the Chrysler wants you to do, they want you to buy a software from them, which is gonna cost you, I think it's gonna cost a lot more than this guy. Just a software to be able to do it, but I don't think you can do it with any kind of a scan tool. I think you will have to have like a pretty much a dealer level scan tool to be able to do that, and then you have to pay them for the software, and I don't even think they're gonna let you do it unless you are a official shop. So I don't see anybody wanted to invest so much money into something that they will charge what, couple hours to program this. What's the point? And of course, if you take your car to the dealer is gonna refuse to program it unless you buy a brand new unit from the dealer for like a couple $1,000 and have them put it on for another couple $1,000. Then they can program it and charge you an hour. But do you so honestly, looking at this crap, I think until they came out with the new style chips, where on some ECMs they put in a memory in here, and that is like, I don't know, it's not up to average person level to replace this guy. But as far as this one, this was the first time I did it and it worked. But you have to like mask the rest of it, find the temperature, and I honestly I spend lots of time researching this, how to do it, because if you overheat this chip, it's gonna lose the memory and you might even overheat this one. So you have to do some deep researches before you get into it, but this is a confirmed way of changing the VIN number on the ABS module. And well, I guess any kind of a module where you got this kind of a chip. But at least this was 2022 Dodge Challenger. So that's how I did it, and it worked. Alright, thank you. Bye.